Namaste. I, Chetna, the literary captain of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 26 November 2021. First of all, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher, Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam, to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते चेतना। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943 आज मार्गशीर्ष माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की सप्तमी तिथि है, अर्थात अष्टमी का व्रत एवं भैरवाष्टमी या कालाष्टमी कल है। आज का नक्षत्र आश्लेषा, आज का योग ब्रह्म है। प्रविष्टि की बात करें तो आज सौर मार्गशीर्ष माह के 11 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह रवि उल्सानी की आज 20 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I request you all to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes be ready for prayer.
जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जय वीरेश्वर जय शिव शंकर जय 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 महाराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकार। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकार। तमनाशत जड़ चित्त जगवत चेतन सकल समाज। तमनाशत जड़ चित्त जगवत चेतन सकल समाज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। 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 त्रिभुवन के सरताज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। त्रिभुवन के सरताज। सकल विद्या कांति हरो प्रभु। सकल विद्या कांति हरो प्रभु। चित में करो विराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज।
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम। Be ready for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
Now I would like to invite Ayati of class 6th B to aware us about Indian Constitution Day. Namaste Ayati.
Namaste, my name is IT of class 6th from St Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Punjab. Today I am going to tell you about the Constitution Day of India. Constitution Day or Sanvidhan Divas, also known as National Law Day, is celebrated in India on 26 November every year. The Constituent Assembly of India adopted to the Constitution of India in 1949 and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. The Ministry of External Affairs directed all overseas Indian schools to celebrate 26 November as Constitution Day. The preamble of the Constitution was read in all schools by all students. In addition, there were quiz and essay competitions, both online and offline, on the subject of the Constitution of India. There was a lecture on salient feature of the Constitution in each school. The Government of India declared 26 November as Constitution Day on 19 November 2021 by a Gazette notification. Previously, this day was celebrated as Law Day. Various departments of the Government of India celebrated the first Constitution Day. Department of Sports arranged symbolic run named Run for Equality. Actually, these days is chosen to spread the importance of the Constitution and to spread thoughts and ideas of Dr. Ambedkar. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Ayati. Now, I would like to invite Aradhya of class 10th A to share a motivational story. Namaste, Aradhya.
Namaste, my name is Aradhya and I am a student of class 10th A of St Vivekanand Millennium School. The story for the motivational episode I am going to present in front of you is two pictures. Once there was a heavy flood in a river. After 3 days, the intensity of the flood subsided somewhat. Many things were flowing in flood waters. Among them was a copper pot and an earthen pot. Both of them were swimming side by side. The copper pot said to the earthen pot, "Hey brother, you are made up of soft clay and you are very fragile. If you want, you can come near me. That way you will remain safe." The clay pot replied, "Thank you so much for being so thoughtful and taking care of me, but I cannot dare to come close to you. You are very strong and powerful, and I am weak and fragile. If by chance we both collide, I will break into pieces. If you really care for me and are my well wisher, please stay a little away from me." Saying this, the earthen pot went away from the floating copper pot. Moral of the story is we should not depend on others for support and should be self reliant during hard times. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Aradhya. Now, I would like to invite Krishna Priyadarshini of class 6B to share a new word with us. Namaste, Krishna.
Namaste, I am Krishna Priyadarshini of class 6th B from St Vivekanand Millennium School. Today's word is encapsulate, meaning make anything shorter. Synonyms are abridge, cut, sum up, wrap. Antonyms are detail, lavish, intricate. Its example sentence: the teacher encapsulated his lecture so that the students did not feel bored.
Thank you, Krishna. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.